Hello buddy, I'm Dutch and welcome to my newest vlog series, American Gear Vendors You Should Know. These videos will help you discover my favorite finds, explore new and innovative gear, and meet the brands that I respect, all made in the USA. So get ready to support local craftsmanship and see why I love American-made gear. Thank you, everybody. So, hello everybody. As you know, I love food and I love backpacking food, and we have something really special here. This is Good to Go, and they are packaged completely up in Maine, and we have the chef here. This is Jennifer. So Jennifer, please tell us all about your product.
Hi there, I'm Jen Sism and I'm the chef and owner of Good to Go. We are celebrating our 10th anniversary and we make all natural dehydrated meals for campers, backpackers, basically anybody on the go. My premise is I'm a chef, I'm from New York City, and I just love clean, good ingredients. Therefore, that's what I want to eat when I'm on the trail, and that's how I want to feed people. So we've been 16 different meals, and this year I'm really excited that we are releasing 2 new meals. These are intentionally made so that you just add tap water, not boiling water, to the bag, and they are salads. So we have a cucumber chut salad. It's a little spicy. It's indicative of a typical Indian street food. It's got lots of warming spices and some chili. And then this is our carrot ginger power bowl, and this is my riff on the kind of carrot ginger dressing that I've grown up on. So these both are loaded with protein from hemp seed hearts, and they have a lot of calories. They're easy to make, and it only takes 10 minutes to soak them.
So, out of all of these, which are some of your better sellers?
Our best seller would be the mushroom risotto. It was one of our first meals that we started with 10 years ago. And then followed by probably the Thai curry and our pad Thai, the chicken pho. And we've already almost sold out of these at the show, so I think these are going to come and kind of take people by storm, because they're really different.
So, these are fantastic meals. They hardly weigh anything. They are all packaged and made up in Maine, correct?
Yep, in Kittery, Maine. We do everything in our own facility, from cooking, drying, packing, and shipping.
So, everybody, that is Good to Go. Tell me, where can they purchase Good to Go?
So, we're in 1,100 doors across the country. We're in REI, the bigger chains, REI, LL Bean, Shields, but then we're also in a ton of mom and pop shops right in Damascus. We're in Sundog, so they are selling here. We're really happy to support them. And then you can also find us online on our website at goodto-go.com, and on Amazon as well.
That is fantastic. Thank you so much. Well, thanks for joining me on that adventure, and be sure to check out some other playlists. And of course, check out DwR&x for some of the greatest hiking gear on the planet. As always, thank you everybody.